Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in to another video. Today we're going to be looking at a new type of charger. So it looks like a normal charger, but you might notice on the box here in bright blue, you've got a logo saying GaNFast. So what does this mean? What's special about this charger? So you may or may not have noticed recently you might be seeing chargers on Amazon that have these three letters on them, GaN. This particularly is one of the products, one of the sort of early products on the market that feature this new technology. And what GaN is ultimately stands for gallium nitride, and it's effectively a replacement for silicon. So it's a material that's being used for semiconductors in chargers, opposed to the usual silicon that you would normally see in the traditional chargers that we're used to using today. And one of the properties of this crystalline structure, and one of the main properties of this technology, I guess, this gallium nitride, is that it's more efficient in conducting electricity, and especially at high voltages. And as a result of that, it produces less heat. And why is this important? Because if it's producing less heat, due to its efficiency, it means that all the components inside can be packed very close together, meaning that the chargers can be a lot smaller in size. Now, this is impressive. So I've just taken this out of the box. Let's have a quick look at what else is in there. We've got a little thank you note for purchasing the product. So thank you very much. That charger that's on the picture there, I do have that charger. That's a Honda 100 watt desktop charger, and I have posted a previous video on that as well. And there's just some promotional gifts there. So user guide, which we may or may not refer to during the video, but let's have a quick look at the product. So as I said, the most impressive thing about this GaN charger here is that you are getting a compact sized charger. Now that is small, and I'm going to bring in another charger just for good measure, right? So this is a 65 watt power delivery charger that features power delivery. So we'll have a look at the specifications there, but ultimately you've got two power delivery ports there that support PPS power delivery 3.0 and also quick charge 4, which is fantastic in this sort of a charger, especially of this size. And then you've got another quick charge 3 port there, the standard USB-A ports there. And if we have a looking at the charging profiles there, that ultimately bring you up to the total 65 watt output. On the USB-C ports, so the 2 ports up here, you are getting charging at 15 volts, 3 amps, that's 45 watts there. 12 times 3, that's 12, 20, 36 watts there. 27 watts there, and also 5 times 3, 15 watts. So it supports these 4 charging profiles. Absolutely fantastic. No problem charging your new phones and tablets at extremely high speeds with this charger. And also the USB-A port is USB-C is going 2 times 3.25. So you're getting effectively your 65 watt max output out of this 11 times 5, so you're getting 65 watts there out of the 2 USB-C ports there. So that is giving you your maximum 65 watts. So bearing in mind that sort of an output and a size like this, let's bring this in now. This charger here, this old Orky charger of mine, I believe this is a standard silicon charger, and if I can just see on here, I believe this was a 56.5 watt charger, so you may or may not be able to read that just there. 56.5 watt charger. Let's compare them in size. Have a look at that. 65 watts, 56.5 watts. It's extremely small compared to this one. One problem I noticed with these bigger chargers was they take up more than one standard plug socket space. So if you've got a power strip and you plug that in, you're knocking out a power port on this side and on this side, unless you've got it connected to the end of the strip. So definitely something to bear in mind. One, it's definitely not an advantage that you should overlook. Size is everything with these things. Let's just go ahead and peel off this plastic wrap here so we can see the finish on it. So nice shiny finish, half matte, half shiny gloss black. Nice weight as well. Hard to compare the weight, probably roughly the same, but then look at the size, right? And look at the difference here. You've got one USB-A port and one USB-C port for power delivery, and here you've got 2 power delivery ports and a quick charge port. So it's winning in all departments, really, isn't it? So there you have it. GaN fast charging technology, and this here specifically is the Ameriguy GaN fast charger. Supports 65 watts turbo mode charging, and what I will do is I'll put the product link in the description below. I bought this from Amazon. I think it's a fantastic price for a compact charger that delivers such a punch. And we can just see there again all the power profiles, same as on the box. I reiterated there. So exactly as per the box. If you don't need to keep hold of the box if you want to just have a quick glance on the power adapter itself and just see what the charging profiles it supports are. So on that note, I will leave you. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video and found this information useful. If you have, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And as usual, I will ask that you please do not forget to hit the subscribe button in the corner there. It will help me to support my channel and to make more videos for you guys. Thank you very much for watching. Take care and all the best.